Good morning. I hope that you will. It's so early, I cannot even think. Anyway, hi, and I thought that today we will do some very simple, it could be a bit boring actually, but you know what, like I realized that I really like watching boring vlogs and I really like watching just everyday lives of people. So it is currently 8:45 and I will show you today my day. Today is Friday. I am currently working from home since the past 8 months. So yeah, I will show you what I'm doing, what I'm eating for lunch, and so on and so on. But first we need sun cream. I already washed my face and now it's time for this bad guy. And as you know, even if I am staying at home the whole day, the sun cream is something I have to put on. So let's do it. This is a sunscreen from Isa 3 and it's actually really good. I love it. So I'm just putting it all around my face and I'm gonna wait for the sunscreen to dry. It should take literally a minute or two. It's practically gone, as you can see. So I think it's time to open my computer and start working, unfortunately. But at least, you know what, at least it's Friday. At least this is the last day that I will have to do it, and then I will have 2 days off, so I won't have to be okay, let's do it. Okay, so it's currently 11 a.m. and I started to feel super hungry, so it's time for breakfast. Honestly, I don't really have much for breakfast today, so I guess I'm just gonna eat some smoothie, well, drink some smoothie. And yesterday I bought this lovely strawberries, so I think we're just going to do strawberries with milk. Unfortunately, I have a little bit of this one and a little bit of my favorite one, which is the only one, but it's almost done, so we will have to work with what we have. But yeah, let's do it. And I know that this is not like the most filling breakfast. Usually I will eat something more filling, but I just don't have it today. And also I'm just super excited to eat those strawberries because this sort of a shake, so just strawberries and milk, is something that my grandma and my mom used to do this for me when I was a child. Usually, you know, between May, June, July, that was my treat every day. It was my dessert, and so it has, you know, it has a special place in my heart, so I cannot wait to eat it. I don't know if you guys are taking this green part from your strawberries. I usually just keep them in because honestly I cannot be bothered. It takes so much time, and then my hands and my nails are red and I look like I killed someone, so you know, I just leave it. I honestly cannot feel the difference in taste. Okay, let's do a taste test. It's really good, although it will be much better with just oat milk instead of the almond milk, but it is how it is. Okay, so once I'm just taking this little break, I thought I will tell you what I'm doing. So I have graduated as a graphic designer. Last year I have studied in London. Well, I started in Barcelona and then I finished in London. And after I graduated, I started looking for a job, and this job just happened. Honestly, I went for an interview. I didn't expect they will even consider me. I didn't even thought that this is something I like to do. I just went there because why not, and I happened to get the job, and you know, here I am. I did a 6 months of internship, and now I got a position as a growth marketing associate, which is a little bit far from my degree, let's say, but actually I am doing a lot of graphic design and a lot of editing in this job, a part of all the other tasks, doing a little bit of marketing, a little bit of PR, a little bit of graphic design, video editing, customer service. I'm literally doing it all in this job, but the plus is that obviously it is from home, and especially after the pandemic and you know the online studies and stuff, I just thought that this is going to be a really good option for me, so I wouldn't be like, not even, you know, obviously, because obviously when you're starting a new job it's a bit stressful, and then when I will be put into this corporate environment, that could be too much for me. So that was like a good, you know, middle ground, I would say. And here I am. It's been around 8 months. I'm not essentially like this is my dream job, because it definitely is not, but as of right now it's fine. But I'm not saying that I won't be you know, I won't be looking for something else in the future, because I might do, but as of right now it's fine. I have my routine, I work from home, and obviously working from home is great, and I'm literally obsessed with working from home, although sometimes I feel like I need this human interaction during the day, and that is why I usually call to my friends who also work from home. We just put the headphones in, we call each other via Facebook, via Messenger, so even if one of our bosses or clients will call us on our phone all through WhatsApp, we will still be online and we will still be able to answer. But in the meantime, we usually just like do our work and just chat with each other, because this is, yeah, this is kind of what keeps me going, honestly, because if I will be here in this silence all the time alone, it could be a bit depressing. Obviously I have my cat, which is always keeping me company and being very annoying during the meeting, but yeah, this is how it is. It's my first, let's say, job after uni, so I cannot expect so much from myself, but as of, you know, for this moment, but for this particular moment, especially for winter and fall, it was a really good option. And it's currently 11:20 and I need to get back to sending thousands of emails, so I will see you, well, in lunchtime, I guess. Okay, so it's 1:30 and it's officially lunchtime. Obviously I didn't have much in a fridge, so I'm literally doing a fridge cleaning right now and I just put away everything that I have, and I'm just about to mix it all together. So here we have some pepper, some asparagus, gluten-free pasta. It's not because I have an allergy on gluten, I just prefer gluten-free pasta, a little bit of cheese, olive oil, and a little bit of this minced vegan meat. I'm just gonna combine this together, and yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna hope it's gonna taste okay. This is my lunch and I already tried this, and honestly it is really good. Like, I've made it from all the things that I have left in the fridge and it's really, really nice. So I'm just gonna watch some Netflix or some YouTube, whatever I will find, enjoy my lunch break, and I'll get back to work, unfortunately. Okay, it's an update time. It's 3:46 and I have had the worst 1.5 hour at my work recently. I'm honestly on the verge of quitting this job and I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should follow, like, you know, the fact that I am super nervous and I should just give a notice right now, or I should just wait and find something else. I should probably wait and find something else. It's just that I honestly, oh, I have a crisis right now. I don't want to work there anymore. So this day was terrible. I had such a stressful time at work, as I said before, and honestly I felt like I just need to stay home, and like I don't want to see anyone, I don't want to go to the gym, I don't want to do anything productive, I just want to lay in my bed. But once I was in my bed, I felt like, okay, I actually have so much negative energy in me that I'm definitely not able to go and see my friends because I got invited, but that's definitely not the headspace that I am in right now. But the thing that I can do is go to the gym for sure, and I can just release all this negative energy and just sweat it out, I guess. So that's what I want to do. I just need to finish my banana, and we're gonna go get rid of all this negative energy and maybe change my job, huh? So that'd be great. My fit in the gym is like super simple. I have this nice bra from USA Sport and just yeah, and just shorts. So I'm ready to sweat all of this negative energy out. Hi, so I'm back from the gym. I haven't recorded anything because honestly I was so into my workout that I totally forgot that I had to record. And at the very end, when I was like ending my stretching, I realized, shit, I haven't recorded anything. But then it would be weird if I only recorded my stretching. So yeah, you just have to imagine that I did work out. And today I started with a short cardio, and then I did my abs, which is recently my favorite part of my body to exercise. That makes sense. I love doing abs recently, so I did that, and then I still had so much energy, I think because of this anger that I had, that I also did my arms, which was really successful. Now I'm drinking my protein shake, which is a strawberry vegan protein with almond milk. And yeah, I think I need to shower, watch something, and the day should be ending very soon. But honestly, mentally I feel so much better. Once I sweat everything out, I wouldn't say I feel like a new person, because I still feel this weird feeling in me, but it's definitely much better and I am much happier. And the shake is nice.
Hey guys, so this is the end of this vlog. I have definitely planned this to be completely different, but you know, life happens. So this is my regular life sometimes, you know. And it's just me and my kitty now. We are watching The Lincoln Lawyer. We're going to, well, I'm going to have a bath and sleep. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next one. Bye.